Hello fellow gearheads, this is Jack with JHV3. I have a quick explanation of the ping mod applied to the Younworks NT-9. Now Baron Youn has an outstanding product. This allows quick access to all 9 presets on the Nova delay without manually having to scroll through the presets and use the odd way to access presets with the Nova delay. It's modified to connect via cable to a new jack on the back of the Nova delay, and is an outstanding product. You got to check out Younworks.com to look up the NT-9 and get Baron to make one for you. Excellent deal. Now Thomas Rodriguez, he needed his Nova to not only recall the presets with specific BPM, but he also needed other time-based effects to quickly align with the BPM, and this is for certain situations while they're playing live. Now to accomplish this, we installed the ping mod and a MasterTech Pro circuit inside of the NT-9. Now basically, just an explanation, first he's wearing channel or preset 1 on the NT-9. There's preset 2, you can tell it calls up the BPM here. Now the ping mod, what it does, this switch activates the ping mod, and you can see it's pinging inside and it aligns the other pedals that are connected up to it. Now you can tell here that this is 140.1 and the eventide up here is a little different, and that's all time-based pedals are different. And once you have them set to the correct BPMs, you can turn the ping off and allow them to work on their own without constantly pinging at the pedals with the signal coming from the NT-9. Sometimes when you're constantly putting BPM or putting taps into a pedal, it interrupts the function of the pedal, and so to keep that from happening, you can turn this on and turn it off at will with this particular switch. Now you can re-ping them as you go along. Now these pedals will probably depart in time as it goes along. If you notice them departing, you're hearing it depart, you can re-ping all the pedals. It'll put them right back to where they were, and or align them back together to make up for the song. What you also can do is, if the ping is on, you're pinging all your pedals, and let's say you want to just do the other pedals that are hooked up, you can defeat the ping and manually do these two by doing a remote tap switch, and you can input that tempo to get a different BPM on these two without affecting what's going on with the Nova delay, and it automatically defeats the ping of the NT-9. Now you can tell that this works with the pedals on or with the pedals off. The ping does, realigns them back together, and if you wanted to do just say the eventide with the presets that are saved on your Nova delay, you can do that as well with the other pedal. So that's the explanation, and if you need have any questions, please feel free to write me, jack@jhv3.com, and look us up at jhv3.com anytime.